So today I took the train to Brno. Starting from Prague made no sense. Too much waste time, burned before the ride even started.
Alright, this will be challenging.
I brought a folding e-bike, not the Brompton. Wanted the motor for the distance. Seems like a good idea. What I didn't think about was the weight. It was worse than I expected. I could barely lift the bike and I was already blocking the way.
Do you need a hand?
Oh, thanks.
I'm trying to check where my bike should be.
Yes?
Yeah, it's supposed to, so I guess it's there. Ah yes, really.
Yeah, and you?
I am not really traveling with the bike this summer, but I was in Croatia some years before. It is very nice. The coast, the island are very nice. Are you going on the coast or more inside the land?
Just to Rijeka and then going back by train. I have got just 7 days, so it will be a speed run.
Do you go through Ljubljana?
Yes, I'm just following Eurovelo 9, if you know.
You don't go through Zagreb, no.
No, to Trieste, then I will switch to Eurovelo 8. And
from Trieste, yes. I was there once. There's a nice bicycle road, which is an old railway, and it's really going like this. It is a really old railway that is going through tunnels in the mountain, and actually you think that the train could not go there because it's really going like this, you know. I think it was a small train.
Great guys, so the bike is locked, looks very clumsy, so I hope this will hold the whole ride.
On the train, I kept watching the weather again. The forecast turned bad, so the plan was simple. Get to Brno, connect to the route, don't waste any time. I barely slept, packing and repacking the night before. Once I arrived, I was already that tired.
Yo guys, welcome to Brno. Back at Brno after almost a year, but now with a bike, with a Tern and Brompton bag and panniers. I'm very excited. What comes next?
From the station, I had to work my way through the heavy traffic.
Oh yeah! So in few meters we should reach the Eurovelo 9 track.
The first part of Eurovelo was fine.
Right now we are going along Svitava, local river.
Then the road turned rough, almost straight away.
I'm glad I didn't brought the Brompton. It would be a nightmare to ride on this.
Then work called. In the middle of the ride, of course. That always seems to happen outside, never at home. After that, the panniers started falling off. So I stopped, fixed that, kept going, then repeated the same thing every few minutes.
I have to be careful next time. I lost a lot of stuff that way last year.
By then, I was already losing lots of time.
Can you hear that weird sound? Something's wrong with my bike.
I kept riding for a bit, but I was already low on water. When I saw a bakery, I just stopped, bought few things and sat down for a bit.
Charles Bakery. Let's stop here. I forgot to bring another bottle of water. Let's check if it's open and if they can take credit cards. So I bought these sausages and also a gas water.
I ate on a bench, put on sunscreen and checked the distance again. It was not great. I was still much slower than I wanted to be.
Superbike. Superbike. Yeah, it's foldable.
Battery.
There's battery. Big ride. And the sun is gone. It's already 11 and I just traveled only 15 kilometers. I have to push harder. I like how there are bike stops every few meters, like this one with a roof.
I kept moving and started looking for water. In Židlochovice, I checked the fountain and luckily it was working. That helped, but I was still behind.
This should be working. Look at these birds.
Later I stopped again once I found a bench out in the open. It was quiet, so I used it to eat something and check my phone for a minute.
If you are wondering what I'm eating, this is the homemade mix of walnuts and dark chocolate. It's very healthy, not much carbs, not much sugars, and it's damn good.
I still thought I could keep the day together if the weather held. I checked the route again and tried to work out where I could stop later if it started raining. Then it started dripping. I packed up and looked around for a roof and saw this little chapel by the road.
Alright, let's check this mini church. If it wasn't a sacred space, I would hide inside.
So I went back under the tree and waited a bit instead. At that point, I wasn't really riding the route anymore. I was just moving from one usable stop to the next. The sky kept changing and I kept checking whether the rain would catch me before the lake. Then the weather started looking worse. So when I saw a bus stop with a roof, I pulled in and checked the forecast again. I stayed there for a bit, ate something, waited, and I moved on toward the lake anyway.
I'm 40 kilometers in. It's kind of windy and cold. We are approaching the lake there. Okay, I'm confused. I should be continuing this way, and this is well-developed route with signs. Those guys are confused as well.
VN.
I feel now that definitely my legs are not trained for 200 kilometers the first day of bikepacking.
That was where the route started falling apart. The sky kept getting worse, and by the time I got to the crossing, I faced a roadblock. I could not cross the lake due to road constructions. I checked it from both sides, there was no clean way through.
Ale můžu se zeptat, kudy je to nejblíž na druhou stranu?
No, všichni jezdí rovně.
Rovně, OK.
Všichni jezdí rovně, právě jsme se dívali, jestli to projdete. Jak si otáčíte, tak říkám, aha, tak asi se to nemá, no.
Byl tam plot, no. Tak jo, díky, naschle. This is not rideable, man. It takes forever to just make an inch.
First I thought I just missed something. Looked around, saw other cyclists, confused there as well. So I had to go around. That already cost me some time. Then the rain got much worse. I kept riding for a bit, didn't want to stop too early, but I was already soaked and I could barely see where I was going. Once I saw an actual roof, I stopped there straight away.
So I got back to Pasohlávky. Here I got lucky and I think I would call it a day. I thought I would get closer to the border. With the rain getting worse, I don't think I will make it to the other side.
Yeah, I think I will chill here, just wait and see. That's the game from now on.
At first I thought I would just wait a little bit, ate something, look around. But minutes becomes hours and I waited too long. In the end, I just got bored and left.
Okay, so the weather got better, so I think I still can do 40 kilometers today and cross the borders to Austria.
Yep, now at original junction. What a waste of time.
After that, I just rode in short sections. I checked the map, rode a bit, checked the sky again, then kept going. The detour had more climbing than I expected and my legs were starting to hurt. Every time the rain stopped, I thought maybe, okay, now I can move, but then it started again.
Quick update, it's 5 p.m. I have like 3 hours of daylight. I'm halfway through the mountains or hills here and I already depleted 2 bars. No wonder everyone uses e-bikes here. So let's take a break.
After a while, I rolled into Mikulov.
I just made a detour here, hoping to find a drinking water.
It looks really nice, but I didn't stay. I was cold, I still needed water, and it was already getting late. It was getting dark by then, so I stopped looking for a nice place to camp and just started checking anything that might work.
So this road is really horrible, but what's interesting here is that there are frogs crossing the road from one side to another. So be aware of the frogs jumping under your bike. It's not pretty.
Let's go! I saw a gazebo like 5 minutes before, but it was too close to the road. So this is about it. Really beautiful. Too bad it's too late. Are you kidding me? Uphill again on a dirt path. Now entering dark forest. It's 8. I have like maybe few minutes of sunlight. There's monument in the middle of nowhere. Oh, I would love to camp here.
Nothing was good enough. One place was too exposed, another was too close to the road. After that, I found a spot by the road and decided to just go with it.
I'm pretty done today. If I would continue, then there would be next town, or just set up a camp here. I mean, it's by the road, but there's a bush.
I don't know, there's a shit, there's toilet paper. Not a good place. Alright, so the tent is up. It's very clumsy, but it's better than nothing.
Alright guys, so I'm in the tent, just holds a little bit. We will see during the thunderstorms tomorrow. It doesn't go according to the plan. I hope to get to Vienna, recharge there, get a booking. Yeah, and we will see. So guys, good night.